This tutorial is about the new filter system in the apps. It has been released in February 23, so it's mostly dedicated to the old user of the apps, while for the new one, you don't know what was the previous way of manipulating the filters. I'm Emmanuel Scuto, your instructor. In this tutorial, we are going to see what is the filter system, what's new versus the previous one, and how to manipulate it. There is a prerequisite. First, you need to have a WeYield apps valid account. Second, it's better if you know how to play with the various modules already. It's not mandatory, but it's easier. If you need some support, contact us at success@weyield.io. So let's start now with the filter system. What is the filter system? It's the possibility to focus via selected criteria like geography, cars, duration bands, segments, a lot of different possibilities in the app to drill down. For example, let's minimize me. In the booking page, you have all these filters on the top. If we now go to the rate shop analyzer, you may have some other filters, as well as in the reporting. You have also the possibility to combine multiple criteria together to narrow your analysis. Here in this example, I have selected from cars, I've selected the A core, and from the customer, I've selected the brokers. When those criteria are validated, automatically below, my query updates the result. So what's new now versus the previous way? Previously, at the time you select a criteria, a request is sent to the server. So when you have multiple criteria, there are multiple intermediate queries that slows the experience. Let's go now and see how to manipulate into the apps. For the old user, you can see that there is a new button here that is named Apply Filters. So let's see in the demo how those new filtering system works. I can click on the first filter I want. Now this button turns in black. It means it's a warning. I need to click on it in order to have my filter selected, and so the query result runs and my graph is updated. The good thing is that you can add multiple filters at the same time without waiting for the query to run. I can simply select here and then apply all these filters to have my query to run. It's a way to go faster instead of waiting for the first filter to be selected as it was previously. To remove some filter, you can go back and unclick the one who was selected. If you have multiple, you can click here on Unselect All to remove them all. Be careful if you want to have now the result updated without the customer selection, you need to apply filters. It was here, my assistance filter was there, it's not there anymore. Now my result is updated. You have a quicker way to do if you want to remove them all at once. You can use this Reset All Filter cross. You click on Apply Filters and everything is removed and the query is updated. And there is even something cooler. If you know that you have few criteria in the same filter, before selecting the following one, you press the Control button of your keyboard and then you select with the left button of your mouse, and automatically the query runs without applying filter. Nice tip! Now you know what is the filter system, how to play with this new way of using the filters, and remember, always click on Apply to get a new result, or press the Control key and the left button of your mouse to activate automatically the query. If you want to know more, contact your Customer Success Manager at success@weyield.io. WeYield also provide many learning resources available via the WeYield Learning Center, as well as some public available content on our YouTube page, as well as the Revenue Machine podcast, whenever you need to learn more. I wish you a good optimization.